Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use a weekly meal planner on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. To do it, click on the three lines in the top right corner and you'll find weekly planner. Now, as you can see, there are going to be different days of different weeks, and you could plan recipes to cook on these certain days. To do it, you would need to select a recipe, then click on three lines and add it to your weekly planner. Then select a day you'd like to make it on. Now, when I add it to my weekly planner and go to that weekly planner, I will be able to see it right here, and I could just open it whenever I want it and start cooking. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.